The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Maricopa County in south central Arizona until 8:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 7:49 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Salt River Indian Community to Fiesta Mall to Arizona Mills Mall, and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mesa, Chandler, Gilbert, Tempe, East Mesa, Freestone Park, Superstition Springs Mall, Arizona State University, Downtown Mesa, Fiesta Mall, Falcon Field Airport, Salt River Indian Community, Arizona Mills Mall, Chandler Fashion Center Mall, Mesa Riverview Mall, Gilbert City Hall, Chandler City Hall, Tempe Marketplace, Granite Reef Dam, and downtown Scottsdale. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. These storms have a history of producing wind damage. This is a very dangerous situation. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona. Blowing dust advisory now in effect until
40-mile-an-hour winds. Other than that, no criteria. Over.
Thank